Hey guys, we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the mouse wheel scrolling problem in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, let us begin with the control panel. So let me just open the control panel. So we will just make a search here in the Windows search tab. Type control, and then you will see under best match a control panel option, so please click on that. And then once you do that, you will be opening this kind of window here. So if your window doesn't look like this, all you need to do is just to select this view by option. So you will see here, you will see that in the upper right corner or upper right section. So you will see the view by option, so please click on the drop down button here and then select the large icons option. So once you click on that, you will see this kind of window coming up. So once you're in here, all you need to do is just to go to the mouse options. Please look for mouse options, and if you see it, please click on that. So once you click on mouse, you will see this kind of window coming up. All you need to do is just to select or to go with the buttons tab. So you can change settings according to your preference here. So if the double click speed is not enough for you, then you can change it to slower or faster just by dragging this button here. So you can make it slow by dragging this button to towards slow option, and you can also make it fast by dragging this button here or icon here to the fast option. So once you do that, you can also check or you can test the fastness or slowness of the double click speed by clicking this folder here to test your settings. So once you're done with this one, please go back to the tab section here. If you see a wheel option, so since I don't have a wheel option in here, so if you see a wheel option, please click on that, and then please make sure that you have set the vertical scrolling into 4. That is the ideal setting for the vertical scrolling. And for the horizontal scrolling, please set it to 3. Again, for the vertical scrolling, please set it to 4. And for the horizontal scrolling, please set it to 3. Now, once you're done with the changes, or once you're happy with the changes that you have made, you can now click on apply and then click on OK, and then just close this window and then just make a quick restart with your device for your settings to be applied, and you're good to go. You will now be able to fix your mouse wheel scrolling problem in your device. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.